Now let's talk about how to use these levels for possible targets. Let's go back to a bullish example. So for a bullish example of this, let's say that you got a entry in this area on a lower time frame. Let's say you dropped down and you saw like a double bottom or something in this area. If that's the case, then the way we could use support and resistance for possible targets is this level of support, this box that we drew. We definitely want our stop loss below that level. So with that being the case, we would make sure that our stop is below that level, keeping us safe. In terms of what we can expect out of targets, the way we use this to prepare to take those targets is if we're expecting trend continuation. And before I continue, do you see how everything's coming together? We learned about trend in the last section. If your pullback has not broken below the low of the previous pullback, then what's the likely scenario? That we break above these highs, right? Into new highs and continue in this uptrend. With that being the case, what if you said, well, the way I'm going to take targets on this trade is by looking at the previous high and taking my targets there, because the likely scenario is that this market continues higher. So then you would place your targets based on this resistance level right here. And that is how you use trend and structure in order to give yourself good reward to risk ratios and accurate trading opportunities. In this case, would have been about a 3.6 reward to risk ratio on this trade.